Take the next right onto Viaduct Road. Continue on Viaduct Road for 3/4 of a mile. In 1,000 feet, turn left. Take the next left, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, we're approaching the entrance ramp here for this Scenic Overlook. We'll stop and look at the signage a bit. Okay. Okay, well, here we go. That goes out there a ways. Beautiful, beautiful countryside. Quite an overlook. You can start to see the fall color coming in. Not too strong yet. noticing down below there's some steps and whatnot. There's some people down there too. And one tree that's very red. One, just one. We kind of need these clouds to part a little bit right here so that we can get this valley in sunlight like it is off in the distance there and over there. Extend the boom arm here way out so they can go out alongside the bridge. Those trails down there. Oh my gosh. See the collapsed part of the bridge down here. I hope the wind isn't doing a total number on this audio. Oh, they've got a glass thing where you can look through. Can you? No, okay, well, kinda, but it's pretty cloudy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. That is wild. That to get over a little creek. I have no clue how many feet we're up in the air. It's a ways, and boy, it's windy way out here. I need to be careful so I don't lose my new hat. What an amazing sight. What a tragic collapse. Alright, now we'll walk back the other way. So here's the answer to the question of how high is the skywalk. It's 225 feet above the ground. The glass floor. Well, the glass floor was kind of opaque, so not really worth looking through. No, that's kind of interesting. Why are there two sets of tracks on the skywalk? And we'll just look at that. As you can see, there are indeed two sets of tracks. And now we know why. Alright, so let's take off down the Kinzua Creek Trail. I think that's where we were able to see all those people down below walking along the trail. So let's see how that works out. Oh, there's a picture-taking platform. I suppose that would work for video as well. As if the skywalk itself wasn't enough of a picture platform. Most difficult. Okay. Picture taking platform this way. Getting my steps in today. A friend was concerned that I was maybe not getting much exercise because I drive around in a van all the time and work on videos. No, I do get out and walk around quite a bit. Try to anyway. Could always do more. Different vantage point.
Huh? Alright. Take my jacket.
How's that for a look? Straight up the pipe, threading a needle. And there's where it starts. Continuing, we're on the most difficult trail, and apparently it is most difficult due to all the stone steps. My left knee is not feeling great today for some reason. I don't know why. So, we'll see how far I really want to do this. So far, no worries. I do have to be very mindful of what I'm doing and not so much where the camera is pointing. And when you get off the rock steps, the trail can get kind of steep. You can see they've kind of put reinforcement down to try and keep the trail from washing away. Seems best if you kind of go down it a little bit sideways. No, going up this is going to be hell. Maybe there's an easier path up. I don't know. Maybe this one intersects with a easier, gentler trail. If not, oh well. We make our bed, we lie in it, right? Yeah, she's definitely going down quick. It is a very steep grade right here. It's hard to keep from breaking into a trot because of the grade. Wow, this is steep. As long as I don't slip and fall on my butt, that would be nice. That I don't, that is. Okay, well here we are at one of the support structures. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's up there a ways now. Yeah, we'll stay on the trail. Seems like it's leveling out a little bit here. Until you get right there. Now it's going real steep again. Kind of shuffle jogging my way down. Okay, leveling out a little bit here now. And we're turning back towards the Sky Bridge. Alrighty. Hey, look, the sun's coming out. How about that? That is just spectacular. All that by tornado. Must have been a whopper of a tornado, right? To completely demolish a steel structure like that? That's crazy. Coming up, by the way, is the Zippo and Case Museum. I think. If we can squeeze it in yet today. It's already passing 2, I would imagine. Let me just grab my phone here and check the time. It is 2:36 p.m. on a Monday. The trail does not continue down that way, but it does this way. I don't think there's going to be an easier way up, to be honest with you. The only way they could make it different would be to put in a stairway. And it's still, what was it, 266 feet down? We have unfortunately burned off a lot of kinetic energy coming all the way down here. We're going to have to reinstall it on the way up. Alright, the trail makes a turn to the right, which is also going downhill pretty steeply. Wow, this is steep. My guess is I'm not going to film the ascent. I don't think you need to hear me huffing and puffing all the way up 260 some odd feet. It's a beautiful trail though. As steep as it is. And to my friend who was worried about my getting in enough exercise while living out of a van, I hope you can see that I'm going to get my exercise in today. This may make up for anything in the past. I saw a little animal just scurry off the trail down here. Looked like a little mouse or something. Just kind of went in right there. Alright, well, the trail is changing character now, so I think we're kind of at the bottom of the whole thing. My concern at this point might be that it will try to go up the other side. Because, yeah, I think that this is probably the creek that the train bridge goes over. Indeed it is. How about that? Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's way up there. And there's some collapsed pieces over there. And here is what necessitated the bridge in the first place. Oh, this little bridge floats up and down as you walk on it. So that's a really queasy feeling. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. But okay. Yeah, just wow. So since we're at the bottom and we don't want to go back up the other side, I think we're going to turn around right here and head back. Well, some folks coming through just let me know that if I continue along this way, we'll get a much better view of the wreckage up here. Oh, well, geez, just, I mean, right here, even. But let's keep going. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh yeah, wow. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Now, the folks that I just passed said that the trail goes at least 3/4 the way up the other side. I don't think I want to do that. From here it's a pretty spectacular view as it is. Look at these large concrete pylons that everything was built upon. They're huge. But look at that wreckage. Wow. Imagine the clamor it made as it all came crashing down. Just crazy. So I'm going to start the ascent now. And so I will spare you that, as I mentioned before. But hope you enjoyed that. That was crazy. The woman at the Rock City Park Welcome Center highly recommended this, and I would have to agree. Don't miss this if you're in the area. It was approximately 30 to 40 minutes away from Rock City Park, but worth the drive for sure. So that'll be it for this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you and wherever we end up next. Well, as you know, because I've posted the video, I didn't expire on the trail coming back up the other way, but wow, that was a workout. So here I am back at Joy, and we'll get on the road. We'll see if we can get in that Zippo and Case Museum yet today. That will probably be in another video. But anyway, whoo, come and see this place, really cool. No surprised that it's free. Given the workout that you get doing this, if they made you pay, whoa, wow, okay. But hey, it's a free ride in this beautiful park and a very interesting attraction. So come and see this thing.